Hi. Welcome to PageFly video tutorial series. In today's video, I will guide you how to create the basic layouts with the image in PageFly. These layouts will help you show visual clues on your page and increase the conversion rate. Firstly, I will show you how to create a layout with image and text. Here is the PageFly page editor. Go to the left sidebar, click Add Element. I will add a full layout into the page editor. And then add a 2-column layout inside the section. Now in the left column, I will add an image like this. Go to the General tab and choose the Image with Image Source option. In the right column, I will add a heading and a paragraph. You can do the same with the image in the right like this. If you want to put many images in the same line, you just need to take some simple steps. If I want to put 2 images in the same line, I will add a full section and a 2-column layout inside it. Click here if you want to put more images. Click Add Element to add image element inside each column. And then, go to the General tab to choose Displayed Images. Choose the section and make this layout full width. And choose the row in the breadcrumbs to adjust spacing between images. You can also change the style preset of the image by clicking the Styling tab and choosing the image style here. You can add other elements under the image, such as a heading and a button like this. Next, I will show you how to create a grid of image. Add a 2-column layout inside the section. Choose the section in the breadcrumbs. I will duplicate this row to add 2 more columns like this. And then add image inside each column. Here is the result. Finally, you can add text on the image by using Image Background. Click on the section and set a background image to it. And then add the content inside the section. We have a video that shows you how to add and adjust content on the image background. Please see it in the description of this video. This is the end of the video tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification to get more videos. If you need any assistance, reach us via 24/7 in-app live chat, or leave us any questions in the comments section below. Join PageFly ecosystem and proactively get updated support, tips to boost conversion rate. Thank you for watching. See you next time.